All right. Today is May the 12th, 2023, and I'm going to do a Vaughn's tutorial today. Okay, I'm going to start shopping. Let's go do this. Strawberries. Strawberries don't always scan, so you gotta probably take a picture of it. Skip scanning. Item is correct. Always pick the best strawberries you can find. Looking at the bottom and the top, make sure there's no rotten ones. Perfect. All right, blueberries. 2 blueberries. Same thing with the blueberries. Skip scanning, item is correct. Okay, next thing we got bread and pastries. Let's go ahead and find these ones first. Apple bites. Okay, here is the blueberry muffins. Okay, we got some pastry bites. There they are. Over here on the top. There's some apple and some raspberry. Here with the apple. Some raspberry bites. Strawberry. These all look like strawberries, so no, here we go. Raspberry bites. Okay, that one's done. Now we're gonna go over to the bread. So we got some dark rye, 3 dark rye. And we have some whole wheat, 3 of the whole wheat, 100%. Oro wheat. And we got 3 of the buttermilk. Okay, next we are kind of know the layout of the store, you'll know where to go. So next we're going to go to the perimeter, the back of the store. I always like to send them a message to let them know that I'm shopping for them. Okay, there's the roast beef right there. 3 of these. So we got 2 of these, 1 pound. Okay, now we're gonna go to the cheese. They want 2 of these. Havarti, 2 of those. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. All right. I'm gonna go down to the condiment aisle. Here's the mayo, 30 ounces. You know that I got this cart full, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna go get the jelly. Never seen this one before, so orange fig spread. Alright, I don't see it. So I'm gonna continue shopping with their items. Alright, so we got 2 cantaloupes. We got 2 mini watermelons. Now we gotta look for the pineapples. They might be out of them. Where are the pineapples at?
Pineapple what?
Pineapples. Regular pineapples.
Oh, right there. Oh,
Am I blind or are they out? We're out of them.
right here, supposedly, but let me ask.
Okay, I need 2 of them. One more question for you that you might be able to help me with. This fig spread. It's not by the jellies.
Number 9, no?
It's not by the jellies.
Okay.
No, I already looked over there. And when you can't find something, you usually could ask, and they're usually friendly about it. How you doing? So in the meantime, I'm gonna grab 2 pounds of grapes, red Caesars, 2.36, good enough. How are you doing, sir? I'm sorry to bother you. Do you know if this one is a fig spread? I looked over there on the top. I didn't see it. Maybe it's in a different location. And I'm sorry to bother you.
Know where the fig spread at?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and scan this as a replacement and see if they will accept it. To do that, I'm gonna send them a message and a picture. Will this one work for you? They're out of the one you requested. All right, so now we just have pending pineapples. Did he just tell you about the pineapples?
No.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just a coincidence.
Oh, cool. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I just asked her. I'm like, hey, you guys have any pineapple? Oh, let me go. She said, let me go get them.
Oh, okay.
All right, appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, have a great day. All right, we've already contacted them on the replacement. How are you today? Pretty good. Yes, please. Instacart order. I can help you bag as soon as I get all this stuff up there. How are you doing today? You guys pretty busy or what? Yeah. Oh, you were fast. Faster than I can put them up. All right, for Vons, I'm going to hit the code for Instacart, which is all 4s. Okay. Go ahead and pay. Thank you so much. You too. All right. Once we get the receipt, I like to stop here at the grocery checkout where one's empty and taking my pictures. Submit. Next, 10 bags. All right. Keep the receipt. And there you go, start to finish. For the shopping portion. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the delivery. $20 minutes. For that amount of items, 10 bags. Go ahead and get this bagged up properly. Always press next to a cart return. Makes life a lot easier. Okay, now let's get to the delivery.